How to choose your family lawyer. Well, you may say that that's easy. You simply ask someone you know who's used a family lawyer or who's been divorced, or do a Google search. Well, they're both good starts, but they're not the entire way that you should be choosing your family lawyer. What you're looking for in a family lawyer is going to be very different from perhaps what your friend saw in a family lawyer. You may need a more empathetic approach. You may need somebody who looks at family law holistically, and I think that is an approach that we endorse at LGFL. You may want someone who's very strategic and businesslike in their approach. Some people may appreciate that. Others, for them, it may be too cold an approach. So you really do need to choose somebody based on what you're looking for in a family lawyer. In relation to Google, what I would say is you don't need to look for the closest law firm, because most law firms will deal with matters on a remote basis, either through video calls, telephone calls, or via email. You're not going to be physically popping in to see your lawyer on a weekly basis, and certainly you shouldn't be. That would be a disproportionate approach on legal fees. I also suggest that you looked at a resolution lawyer. Now, if you go onto the resolution website, they are the family law organization who are committed to dealing with family law matters in a non-confrontational way. You can have a list of local members there. And you should also look at the Legal 500 and Chambers rankings. I'll discuss more of those in future videos, but you can see some really good testimonials and areas of expertise, and those rankings are not easy to obtain. So if you're guided by them, you are much more likely to find somebody who has got a really good knowledge in those specific areas. So do your research, and as I've always said, try before you buy. Book those 1-hour consultations, because someone's profile might look great online, but when you meet them, they just might not be for you. And then you've got the whole issue of changing family lawyers, which always leads to inconvenience and awkwardness, often on behalf of the clients. Good luck.